We love travel and have always taken great pride in looking after you so that you feel safe and comfortable when you fly with Aer Lingus. But we all know that it's set to be a bit different for the next while. So we're putting lots of new measures in place to look after your safety and your well-being the next time you fly with us.
Airports, similar to other public spaces, are implementing new procedures to support physical distancing and to reduce contact. You will see the use of protective screens, hand sanitisation stations and staff that have close contact with passengers wearing face masks. And you are reminded of the importance of good hand hygiene, respiratory etiquette and limiting contact with surfaces. We will be asking you and your fellow passengers to make sure you are fit to fly, and if you are experiencing any COVID-19 symptoms, we would ask you not to travel to the airport. We are encouraging everyone to check in online, to check in their luggage and use self-service kiosks where available to minimise contact.
We are introducing an enhanced cleaning system on all of our aircraft. Hospital-grade disinfectant is used to spray treat all hard surfaces. Your tray table, armrests and windows will be deep cleaned by hand daily. The inside of every plane is thoroughly disinfected. All of our Airbus aircraft are fitted with state-of-the-art air filtration technology as standard. These are the same air filters that are used in operating theatres in hospitals. 99.97% of airborne particles, such as viruses and bacteria, are removed by this air filtering technology, and cabin air is replaced every 3 minutes.
We are introducing new boarding and disembarkation procedures. Boarding will now be small groups at a time and according to your seat row number. At the boarding gate, you can now scan your own boarding pass and show your passport or ID to the Aer Lingus staff, making this process contactless. In-flight services, including food and drink, have been suspended on short haul, while a reduced service is available on long haul, with contactless payment for any purchases. There will be reduced passenger movement in the cabin throughout our flights.
To keep everyone safe and well, our cabin crew will be wearing face masks for the duration of your flight. It is now mandatory for all passengers to wear a face mask or covering to fly with us. Face coverings can be reusable cloth masks or disposable masks, and we recommend that these are worn from when you enter your departure airport to when you leave your destination airport. Together, we can all do our bit to keep everyone safe.
So we've been getting ready to get back in the air, and we hope our new safety measures show you how committed we are to looking after you on your next journey. We can't wait to see you on board again soon, to get to your next business meeting, to connect you with faraway places, and to reunite friends and families. When you're ready to fly again, we're here.